Renault Fluence presents Semi Selects, India's most desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Deep Clean.
All her strengths are on show. As an actor, she astonishes with her bold performances. As a star, she dazzles. As a woman, she is pure male fantasy. Gutsy, romantic, and beautiful, Priyanka Chopra, you are India's most desirable.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Do we have to catch up?
Absolutely, we do.
The last time we sat and talked like this, it was in Rendezvous.
It was.
2005.
Yes.
And I remember you were this...
I have no idea. What do you remember of me from that show?
No, and I remember you were this new star who was working very hard, to make a niche for herself in Bollywood.
Well, I was very nervous to be sitting across from you, and I don't think much has changed.
Oh, please don't say that. Now, I am nervous to sit opposite you because you're a megastar today.
Trying to.
And also, you sit here as India's most desirable. I mean, how good is life?
Well, it's great to be on your list of India's most desirable, I must say. It's very exclusive, the list.
It is, and I'm proud to have you on it.
Thank you.
Priyanka, you can't complain that you don't get women-oriented roles in cinema and things like that.
Not at all. I never have complained. I've been very, very lucky to be able to do all kinds of films. And I've been told that, if you don't do it, no one else can, and we won't make the film. And I guess I'm blessed.
So let's see how the balance book looks.
Okay.
The triumphs are there, many triumphs.
Few. God's been kind.
Any disillusionments on the way?
The disillusionments come from, I think, the pressure.
What is the pressure?
I'm very competitive.
With
and
yourself?
I'm a very bad loser. Oh my God, I'm the worst
Are
loser.
you really? I wouldn't have thought. I
In
thought you're so
games,
sporty.
I punch people if I lose in a game.
Glad you told me. Because I'm a real games person. No way will I play with you. But of course I will win.
Right. We'll have to see now, won't we? Bring it on.
Okay. We know that your career has sort of zoomed into another orbit. The romantic life, is it up there or?
You always want a romantic relationship, but, and I've had them. I won't deny I haven't. So I've been lucky. No, I haven't found somebody who I would want to spend the rest of my life with yet.
Are you single now?
Yes, absolutely.
I always meet you when you're single.
I'm not coming to your show next time.
Don't you come again. I want to see you as a bride next time.
Oh, no. No, give me some time to find him first.
I would love to meet you when you're having a wonderful, hot, passionate romance. And then you can tell me all about it and I can see it on your face.
I believe love is the most important thing in the world. And I absolutely want that crazy, heady, passionate love affair.
Mad.
It shouldn't make sense. It should be completely insane. There's no other way of loving. There's no way of being careful in love. I don't understand that. I think if you love, you give it all, otherwise you don't love.
Before that moment, before you are in love, do you ever stop and think, is this right for me or is this wrong for me?
Yes, you do, of course. You think that, oh my God, is this person the right person for me? Do I want to spend the rest of my life with them? At this moment right now, how do I not know that tomorrow morning a bus is going to hit me and I'm going to die?
Oh.
Am I going to sit here thinking that at this moment, I let go of that feeling because I was being so cerebral? And loving, what's amazing about love that I've discovered over the years, I think, any form of love, is that when you give it, what they call unconditional love?
Yes.
Nobody can do it. It's the toughest thing in the world.
It's impossible.
No expectations, you can't do it. It's not possible. But to just give, even if it's unrequited. I'm not saying be a doormat, but that's how love should be.
But those are the people that get hurt most.
Of course you get hurt. You have to wear your heart on your sleeve and say, all right, trample.
Yeah, well,
But that's the chance you take. What is life without a few risks?
Okay, so after you take a few risks, one becomes a little cautious, Priyanka.
Maybe I haven't reached that point yet. I'm not cynical yet.
Not cynical. I don't
Or
want
careful.
Careful.
I think it's sometimes you are part of relationships or you You know, you're in situations where you'd be like, this seems right,
Yeah.
but it doesn't feel right.
True.
So should you be in it or not?
Yes, so?
And that's a big choice. But it's amazing to have had it, at least for a while.
It's so easy for co-stars to fall in love. But then, and their romance on screen is so much more attractive. It's so much more believable, and the audience loves it.
It is great to be in a relationship when you're doing a
Yeah,
film.
it's lovely.
It's another feeling. Of course it is, because, you know, the scenes have another meaning, and it's cute and it's fun, but it's not necessary. I mean, it would be the same thing if you don't get along with a co-actor. It's the
Well, why
same
would you
thing.
not get along with a co-actor? What could
It
be
could
the
be
reasons?
silly. I don't like your yellow T-shirt. I have fights. Yeah.
So, what one tip to an aspiring candidate who wants to date you? What one tip would you give him?
I'll be two ways. I'll make life really difficult for you if I like you. I have these walls. And especially if I like somebody, then I build them even more. I don't let anybody in. Then the only way for him to, I guess, penetrate that wall would be to just sweep me off, take me by surprise, make me believe that, you know, he really wants it. Yeah, that's it.
And you know, now suppose the guy for whom you'll be a bride one day.
Dulhania.
Dulhania. That guy's watching you.
I'm nervous.
I can only do this with you because you are so cheesy and so mushy.
I'm very cheesy.
So I can only try this out with Priyanka.
Oh, no.
Please talk to him. He's the camera there.
I never flirt with a guy until after I've kind of broken the ice. I'm very hard to get. I play very hard to get.
Please tell him your flaws so that he can be prepared for you.
My flaws?
Look into
Oh, I don't have any, honey. Okay, well, I'm just a girl who wants somebody to make me feel like nothing else in the world is more important. That's it. And if that's you, then I guess I'm waiting for you.
See my cameraman so happy. He's really grinning. Okay, tell me, in our country today, who would you say has redefined their status to become a symbol of desirability?
It comes with grooming, it comes with experience. I would say I'm a huge example of that. I mean, not desirability, but just change over...
I would say desirability,
Thank
please.
you, but I didn't want to say it myself.
Another interesting thing I learned about you is that you're very interested in Sher Shairi.
Yes, Sher Shairi, poetry, prose.
Recite me a few lines, you know, which you feel define you today.
आदतन तुमने कर लिए वादे, आदतन तुमने कर लिए वादे, आदतन हमने एतबार कर लिया. आदत की वजह से, out of habit, तुमने वादे कर लिए और आदत की वजह से मैंने believe कर लिया.
Lovely. That is you.
That is me.
That is you. Absolutely.
Very me.
If this show is about getting to know a desirable woman, I'm here to help you. So I've invited the ones closest to her, her family, coming up next.
I feel we are the luckiest parents in the world to have such a child with such a pure soul and a golden heart.
I'll cry now.
Renault Fluence presents Semi Selects, India's most desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Deep Clean. Renault Fluence presents Semi Selects, India's most desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Deep Clean.
You watch Priyanka in movies, hoardings, magazine covers, but that won't really tell you who she is. Of course, no one knows her better than her parents.
Yes, that's very true.
In
No one in the world knows me better.
So, let me introduce Priyanka's parents, Dr. Ashok Chopra, distinguished ex-army officer and surgeon, and Priyanka's strength and weakness.
Absolutely, my strength and weakness.
Dr. Madhu Chopra, ENT surgeon, the source of Priyanka's spirit and personality. You know, I loved meeting them.
Thank you.
And there they were, sitting together, flirting.
Were they?
I promise you.
See, that's where I get it from. That's what I'm saying. I was actually born a perfect baby. All my flaws are genetic. I always tell my parents that.
Very funny.
It's true.
But Who would you say you're closest to between the two of them?
When I want something, then my dad, otherwise my mom.
I can tell you that. Priyanka is closest to her father. In fact, they are like twins, completely. They think alike, they behave alike, everything about them is alike. She's very close to him.
Absolutely, absolutely. And she is the third umpire. She said, "Oh God, how could you people be so similar?"
Sometimes a mother's like, how can I have two of the same bloody people in the house? I can't deal with this.
Too much.
Yeah, I can't.
Bollywood, for them, must have been a culture shock.
Well, for my entire khandan, I guess, it was just a new world completely. Even as a city, forget the profession.
Yeah.
You know, you are born and brought up in the army atmosphere, protected, and commanding officers like your father, they are like a big family. And here, when you come here, you are on your own.
We were very gullible. There was nobody to kind of guide us through it at all. It was just my parents and scared and the little girl and oh my God, what are we doing here?
Priyanka, you've become quite independent.
I don't think I'm independent at all. I'm hugely dependent on my parents tremendously.
Our doors are never shut, our bedroom door is never shut. So she walks right in, plonks herself between the two of us, which has been her place ever since she was a baby. She'd come and lie on there, dad on one side, mom on one side. And then, then she'll start talking about her day.
Okay,
If she needs any advice, it's daddy.
Yeah.
If she needs to goss, then it's me.
But I'll be the first one to open my mouth and ask her, how are things? Yes, what's happening? This guy today I read somewhere, this and this fellow is having something to do with you. She laughs it off and tells me the actual fact.
He says, what does the Sensex look like today?
What's the sensex then?
Today.
Is the sensex high or is
Yeah.
it low? The code word for love life between my dad and me, because we can't speak straight.
But Priyanka, with stardom, I find a lot of people do change. Is it inevitable?
Well, with me at least, I can't speak about anybody else. Stardom has changed me, as in it's made me a little bit more self-preservation has kicked in a way. My parents are my weaknesses and my strengths, like you said. My family, I can tolerate anything except anybody insulting them or raising a finger at them, or that's one part which I'm vehemently protective.
Priyanka has changed minimally, I would say, as a daughter. And the best thing is she started mothering us now. That's amazing. When this transition happened, I was all this time her mom and he was the dad. And suddenly things have changed. Now she's the one who's momming us. Have you had your food? Is dad feeling good? Is dad in bed? Has he taken his medication? Everything.
can't imagine.
The littlest of things.
But it happens, good children become parents.
I'm totally my parents' parent.
You are totally your parents' parent.
Yeah, when they're traveling, have you reached, are you in the lounge? Did somebody come to pick you up at the aircraft? Are you, has your luggage
Very
been
worried,
cleared?
concerned.
I'm always paranoid when my parents are traveling.
Because so far, let's face it, your father, the man of the house, the protector of the family.
Yeah.
And now, in many ways, you've become the protector.
Yeah. I mean, he still is.
Of course he is.
He still is. But I am just very protective of my parents. They're my most prized possessions.
Of course.
Completely.
Actually, I don't like to talk about my sickness, but
yes, he was pretty ill that time. We needed to take him to USFA for his treatment. And none of the carriers were willing to carry him because he was on a ventilator and he was pretty... The carriers all refused, the doctors came and refused to carry him. I was a wreck, and nothing's moving, nothing's happening. And then I don't know what she did, which tree she shook. Everything came into place, and the next night we were on the plane, we were flying off. Air India agreed to take him, provided we had the entire first class with us, because obviously no other passenger would want to be with someone who was so ill. She had arranged for ventilator, she had arranged for a doctor from London to go to the transatlantic. everything was done. I mean, I didn't even have to think. So that's when I realized how protective she was about us and how much she cared. I feel humbled saying that, you suddenly see that little thing that was, you were teaching her to walk, and here she's holding your hand and taking you.
I feel we are the luckiest parents in the world to have such a child with such a pure soul and a golden heart.
Okay. I'll cry now.
They moved me too, because I didn't know this side about you, and now I do. And I'm in awe. But as parents, do they worry about you meeting the right man in your life?
Yeah. I think my mom worries about that. She's like, you're only working. When are you ever going to meet someone? And my logic is that he's out there.
That's what I said, he's there.
He's out. Your cameraman? Hi.
He's so happy. Don't be mean to him.
Hello. Hi, he's waving. But, well, he's there. I know he's somewhere. And he'll sweep me off my feet when he needs to.
I won't say worry, but we do discuss it. He frets more often.
I want a person who should be a gentleman first. Very important. Well read, and man enough. That's very, very important. Not that he's got a lot of money and, and that's it. No.
Some of them were, yes, she was pretty close to some of the guys. But yes, we did worry at some points that, maybe this person is not really, really the right person for her.
We were very frank with her and tell her, okay, this man has got this. Okay, my reading about this man is this. Rest is up to you. Yeah, very clear about it. Till today, that man has not arrived in her life. No.
No guy is good enough for him.
Oh no, I'm mortified.
Why?
I've never spoken so much about my personal life than my parents have. Oh no, but that's true. I mean, my dad won't think any guy is ever good enough.
Because you're only growing up with movie actors.
So movie actors can also
He's
be
an army
great.
guy. Your dad's an army guy.
That has nothing to do with
He
it. A
can't-
guy is a guy and he has to be a gentleman, whether he's a movie actor, doctor, cobbler, whatever.
Are you a good judge of men?
No. No.
Now she tells the truth.
No. Not at all. No.
Let's.
I don't want to see this.
And you're dying to see it.
No, I don't.
I'm sure you are here.
Abhi tak we were not sure that she's a good judge of people. Sometimes she says she loves bad boys. She says that's the kind of person she wants, someone who has that naughty in him, rough edges in him. This sometimes scares me. She says those things to me, but I don't know what she's going to bring home.
She wants bad boys. Hey!
Please, okay, all you girls sitting there and giggling, all of you also want bad boys, don't lie. They should be gentlemanly and nice to us, but their demeanor should be tough, no? A guy's got to be like a guy. He's got to be somebody, if, somebody's messing around with you, to be able to beat somebody up and look after you, and he's got to be a guy. Come on, don't lie. Come on, have my back here. Come, the girls over here, isn't it true? I can't believe she said that.
What?
This is the
Bad
conversation
boys.
my mother and I have when we are sitting in bed and gossiping. She can't come on national television and say that. I can't believe it. Wait till I go home.
I asked them what their dream is for Priyanka, not the actress, but the daughter.
I have no idea what
Okay,
that
nice to hear it.
I think I'm very old-fashioned. I just want her to have her home, her environment, her babies, kids that I could spoil like rotten, and having fun. I can't see a tear in her eye. If somebody makes her cry, that's the worst. She doesn't cry easy. So if she cries, she's really, really bad hurt. And if anybody gets her to that point, it's completely negative.
She as a star singer and a world-class star singer.
That's his dream for her.
It's my dream for her.
That is my dad's dream.
He really wants. He really wants.
He's wanted that since I was 3.
This is the last message for you on my show.
Hi, beta. Whatever you do in your life, have the confidence that you have your parents backing you. You stand on my shoulders and look big. And if you ever fall down, my shoulders are still there. We are still there for you. Even if you murder somebody, even if you run somebody down, whatever happens in your life, don't ever feel scared to tell us about it. But I'm proud of you, and babe, all your life, you know, my goodie is there for you. I know it's your favorite spot, and I know it's my absolute favorite spot for you. It's always there for you forever. Love you.
Priyanka, my daughter, I love you, beta. I dedicate this line of the song for you because I know you love this song. ये रात ये फिजाएं फिर आए या ना आए, आओ शमा बुझा के हम आज दिल जलाए, ये रात ये फिजाएं.
Man.
What can I say after this?
मेरा नाम है Rizwan Khan. And I'm very smart.
Renault Fluence presents Semi Selects India's Most Desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Deep Clean. Renault Fluence presents Semi Selects India's Most Desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Deep Clean.
Knowing Priyanka, this cafe is right up her street.
No, it's not.
Because
This is one cafe I don't want to be on.
You don't want to be on Personality Cafe.
Yeah, because of what you're going to do to me, I know.
Everybody wants to go to Personality Cafe.
All right, come on. Let's
Because
go to
you-
Personality Cafe.
So let's bring on.
Personality Cafe.
Now, Priyanka, are you ready for the next game?
Yes, absolutely.
Let's get the truth bucket.
Read it?
Yeah.
Shirley. Hi, Shirley.
Hey Priyanka, you look amazing.
Thank you,
And
Shirley.
question to you is, in your professional career, you have seen quite a few downs, and you still didn't give up. So what was that one strength from within that kept you going?
That I hate losing.
Good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. A myth. Front row.
I'm sure you love cricket, because you've been seen around a lot during the IPLs. And as you know, there are a lot of young, handsome, talented, and, ready to mingle guys around in the Indian cricket team. So is there anyone amongst them who you'd love to date?
I'm not the kind of girl who ever would like a guy first. Now, if somebody wants to start conversation and talking to me, then I'll consider him. Otherwise, I don't care. Nobody's good enough. Naveen.
Hi Priyanka.
Hi, Naveen.
My question is that between Shahid and Harman, who was your best boyfriend?
Well, first of all, you're presuming they were my boyfriend. I never said they were.
Okay.
And second of all, I'm very close to both of them.
Okay.
And they're both very kind people and are very important in my life even today.
That's it. Thanks a lot.
Isha.
Who's the hottest co-star you ever worked with and why?
Let's see. Like I said earlier in the show, I think I would say Mr. Bachchan.
Oh, thank you so much.
Pavan.
Hi Priyanka, one thing I have to tell you, you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
I'm all over. My question to you is, who from your contemporaries would, in actresses, I specify, would you never want to work with?
I would work with everyone. Everyone's welcome.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. You can say names if you want. Do you want to ask me
maybe,
particularly? One question.
Kareena Kapoor?
No, I would love to work with her. I think we actually gave a really big hit film together, which was Aitraz. So it would be great to work with her. Okay. Anybody else?
No, I think that's good. Thank you.
Very clever.
I am.
You are very clever. She admits she's very clever. You guys, you don't know how to catch her.
Nobody's caught me yet. Come
No.
on, guys.
None of you.
No penalties. Anila. Hi, Anila.
I just wanted to say you've always played bold roles and you've got into the character that, demands. So if your role demands you to kiss an actress on screen, who would you choose to kiss?
I've been asked this question actually before. Yeah, I have. Especially after I did Dostana. Everybody was hell-bent on me doing a female Dostana.
Yeah.
I think I would... First of all, I don't think I'll do it for a film. Nah. If, hypothetically, I had to, I think Deepika is beautiful. I would even say, I think Katrina is beautiful too.
Then I want the one.
I think this is the penalty.
I said Deepika, I said Kareena. So you're saying pick
It's
between...
on screen.
Pick between Deepika and Katrina, you're saying. Oh. Not that they would be very flattered with my pick, but I think Deepika. I know her very well.
Thank you.
You got your answer.
Rashit? Rashit. Rushit, sorry.
Hi Priyanka.
You can call me Priyanka if you want.
No, that's fine. I wanted to ask you that out of all the films that you've done, which is the one which you wish you had not done?
Wish I had not.
Personally, I like all your films, but still I want to know
Personally,
one.
I like all my films too.
No, but then you have to give me one.
That I understand. I'm looking for one. I don't think I'm embarrassed of any of my films. So I don't know how to pick a film that I wouldn't
I
do.
think that goes for a penalty. Your opinion.
How's that a penalty? Y'all just are looking for a reason because y'all can't, y'all can't get me down. So y'all are now stooping to such lower levels.
Bad loser, bad loser.
Okay, whatever. I'll tell you all the film.
She will pay a penalty.
No, I'll tell you.
The time is gone. The time is gone.
There was never a timer on this.
Of course. Once I, the judge, have said
You
penalty.
are a cheater. You're a cheater. This is cheating.
You're a bad loser.
You're a cheater.
Penalty, then
Okay, fine. Just to make
Penalty.
you all happy.
now
Penalty.
I have to think up a really good penalty.
You're a cheater.
Should we get her to mimic somebody? Yes. Should we get her to mimic
But I'm not a good mimic.
Shah Rukh Khan, Rizwan Khan in My Name is Khan? Yeah? Okay.
Okay, just for y'all. To make you all happy. मेरा नाम है Rizwan Khan. And I'm very smart. You all couldn't catch me on a question, so I'm doing this penalty for you.
That was really
sorry,
cool.
Karan. Sorry, Sean.
Thank you so much, Priyanka.
Ekta. Wow.
pretty, Karan.
Ekta, you also got a lot of cheers.
She's very pretty.
Hi, Priyanka.
I think it was the boys cheering for you. Hi.
You're looking very pretty tonight.
Thank you, so are you.
Okay, my question to you is, in flat 5 seconds,
Oh God, wait. One second. I need
can't
to listen
hear
to
you.
this. Put the mic up. 5 seconds, na?
yeah, in flat
Time
5
doesn't start
seconds.
when your question ends. You have to start my time properly, okay? I'm like sporty.
Okay. Dedicate a song to Shahid where the lyrics perfectly fit him.
Okay. Dun, da, 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 da. Yes. Whew. Too much pressure, Baba.
You're too good. Guys, sorry, you've been stumped here. Every time. But you are so pretty. You come here. I want to give you a present.
Yay!
I want to give you a personally autographed hamper so that it will further boost your beautiful and healthy skin.
Kavya.
Hi Priyanka.
Hi Kavya. How are you?
Hi Simi ma'am.
Hello.
I'm fine. My question to you is, which actress would you like to give a fashion tip?
I would say that I would love to see Sonam wearing saris. You know, I think she looks beautiful in saris. I haven't seen that for a while, so that's what I would say.
Thank you.
Because, and
Hi Priyanka, this is the most awaited moment of my life.
Oh, sweet.
Actually. And my question is very different from rest of them. You are my ideal Desi girl. So can you please teach me few Desi steps from the Desi girl song?
of course, come on.
You're a good dancer. Hey.
You're a good dancer?
Yeah.
Well done.
Priyanka is amazing. You'll have to admit. To see more of her, you'll have to come back. See you.
From the industry, could even be an actor, but he's a prince, which means he's somebody like really well settled in the industry.
Renault Fluence presents Semi Selects India's Most Desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Deep Clean. Renault Fluence presents Semi Selects India's Most Desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Deep Clean.
We were planning to get a time machine, you know, one of those high-tech time machines, so that we could look into your future.
Oh God, even I don't want to look into my future.
But then we thought, why not just get someone you can talk to?
Okay.
Okay? Bring on the tarot.
Hi,
Monisha Khatwani.
Nice to meet you.
And
Pleasure.
she is going to tell you
About your future.
Oh
Yep.
no. My parents have said enough. I don't need anybody else saying
well, we'll check.
anything.
Well, we'll just see what's in your tarot. Why don't you
I've never done tarot.
You want to shuffle the cards for me?
Shuffle cards.
Yes.
But you believe in astrology and all this?
Yes, that's why I'm scared. And I've heard scary things about you, that you're very correct and on the spot.
Oh, thank you. Can you please pull 7 cards with your left hand?
Uno.
Oh no.
6, 7. Okay. The first card talks about your career. Ace of Wands, new projects, new careers, new opportunities in your career. You've got the 10 of Wands, including, which means basically the last 6 months there could have been some personal stress or family stress, but you're overcoming it as the world has come. So there's a much more positive phase coming for you in your life on the love front as well.
Yeah.
Queen of Wands says you're very balanced as a person, basically between your career and your personal relationship.
She's giving me the look like, really?
9 of Swords, you take tension also, but you get over it also pretty fast. So you're...
I actually don't.
That is you there.
Yeah,
taking
taking
stress.
stress.
See, with me,
Look
with like
at you.
20 swords going into my
No,
head.
That's
That's
not
all-
swords.
that's-
Those are ventilators.
That's like stress. That's stress coming on your head. So basically, you should
coming.
try and take a little bit of less stress. And 7 of Cups, you tend to get confused very often, so you will take a lot of advice from people.
Yes, I
You always need validation for certain things that you're doing, maybe from your parents or from your,
That's
you know,
true.
people you're working with. You are confused, so you like Am I doing the right thing? Is this the right thing? Are you sure? You know, so you will always have that query in your mind. So let's see what's on your love front. What do you say, Simi?
Good idea. I can't wait.
Okay,
I can wait.
I would like to know when she's going to meet him. And is it going to be the next relationship?
Okay.
And is that the one that's going to lead to marriage, or is it going to be 10 relationships further?
Huh? 10?
Not 10.
No, please, huh?
Sorry.
Not 10.
But
Okay.
I want to know when she's going to get married.
Okay, perfect. So first.
And who is she going to marry?
Yes. So
Very
first,
Who is she going to? You can tell
Yeah,
me.
yeah,
who am
yeah.
I?
Who means as in he'll be industry or non-industry. I think that
God.
much we can. I want you to pull 3 cards. Pull one first. Within 4 years. So after 2 years, your marriage period starts basically closer to 2013. And between 13 and 15, because you've got the card of wisdom. So basically you choose wisely and then you'll marry the person extremely wisely. Now, if you look at Ace of Cups, it says you'll really love the person you marry. So there's definitely...
That I knew.
I should love him even before she marries.
Yeah, the passion will be like extremely strong. And
Will he love me that much? No,
yeah,
that's
so
the
let's
question.
pull one card.
No, I don't want to know that. I mean,
He, well,
He
let's
will
just
have
pull.
to.
He will
One?
have to. One.
If he knows what's good for him.
no, he wouldn't have a choice.
He won't have a choice. Let's see what the cards say. You're right. You'll be his ultimate desire.
Wow.
See, just show.
Yes.
Look at that card.
That's
And
you
anyways-
and you
that's
and
me.
him. You and your
Wow,
hair,
look
which you change the
that
color.
card.
Yeah.
It's like from an epic movie.
Basically, he'll be your dream come true, I would say. So, do you want to know what he'll do, or will he be industry?
Yeah, I guess.
She's dying to know, but she's just playing it very cool. Okay. She wanted me to say, yeah, find out, because she didn't want to say it herself, right?
So can you do it, please, now?
Sure, I will.
Okay.
Do you want me to? Would you please pull out the cards?
Of course, if
Yes.
you insist.
Yeah, 3 cards. Okay. He's going to have a lot of power. Whatever he
I like
does.
that.
Okay. And he's going to bring an awakening in your life. He's going to bring an awakening in a positive way. And justice. He'll do a lot of justice to your relationship. He'll be very powerful. He will love you for who you are rather
Do I
than...
know him? Or
Okay.
do I not?
That's what I want.
That's
Okay.
interesting. Huh?
Pull one card with your
That's
left
the
hand.
most interesting.
One?
Yeah. Prince of Coins, yes. From the industry, could even be an actor, but he's a prince, which means he's somebody like really well settled in the industry. You will get to know him
I'm
in
trying
the
to
future.
make a short list.
So why don't you pull one love message? Let's see what's your love message.
What does a love message mean?
Just a general message for you when you're in love or in a relationship. If love is the answer, why ask questions? So you'll have a very passionate relationship, as we know,
Great.
and you will be very much in love. I can guarantee you that.
I can too.
So yeah, I mean, you be prepared for a lot of romance. coming
Wow,
your way.
I like this. I'm happy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Nisha.
Thank you. My
Thank you. I
pleasure.
hope what you say comes. This is for my daddy.
Renault Fluence presents Semi-Selects, India's most desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Deep Clean. Renault Fluence presents Semi-Selects, India's most desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Deep Clean.
Now I know it's your father's first dream. It's also my audience and my dream to hear you sing. Will you sing for us?
You know, you always get me to sing.
And I know you never refused me. So, okay, good girl.
Can I dedicate this song to my dad? Since I guess it's the theme of the evening.
Please do.
This is for my daddy.
Na 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 na. There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach within your soul, that the sorrow that you know will melt away. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on. And you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. And then you feel like hope is gone. Look inside you and be strong, and you'll finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you. That a hero lies in you.
Thank you so much. Amazing. Guys, isn't Priyanka in a class of her own? Yes! As a daughter, isn't she an inspiration? Yes! Do you love her? Yes! Even more than before? Yes! Okay. Priyanka, in my opinion, you are the complete woman, the completely desirable woman. And I give this to you with a lot of love and a lot of admiration for the person you are. Love you lots.
Thank you.